Now we're going to come over to the fan and we're going to set it on a range. We're not sure what range to set it on, but this is a very convenient one to change. This is called the B ring here. So set it on there. And now we'll come back over to our gauge. And it's already turned on. So we'll press the mode key. It's the first thing we do. And keep pressing the mode key till we get the kind of results that we want. And if that needs some setup, then you can go to our setup video and learn all about that. But let's say that we want to measure the equivalent leakage area of this room, okay? So there we go. Equivalent leakage area, square inches at 10 pascals, okay? So we're going to do a single point reading. This says B. Over here says range configuration B. And on your range configuration card, you can actually see that range configuration, which is this one here, range B. So this tells you what the fan is supposed to look like. So this configuration B should match what's on the gauge. So now we're going to try for our test pressure. And test pressures can vary all over the place, but in this case we can try a test pressure of 25 pascals. There are many different ways to achieve that. One is to just tell the fan to go to 25 pascals. Well, instead of doing that, we're going to do it manually first. So we're going to try a certain amount of speed, say 40% speed. So we're going to hit set speed, 40, enter. You hear the fan starting up. So we're already at 40 pascals. So it says minus 40 because it's minus 40 in the area that we're standing. So if we wanted to do a test at 50 pascals, for example, we can just go set 50. In this case, we want to do a test at 10, so we're going to go set pressure, 10, enter. Notice the fan is slowing down. And we may actually notice that we're on the wrong range, but we'll find that out very soon. So it says flow too low. So whenever it says flow too low, it means we need to restrict the range more so the fan runs faster. That's quite easily done here by simply taking this C8 plate, taking the plugs out, and popping it on here. We're now on range C8, so we're going to change the range configuration, pressing this once, and now it says C8. It's now saying that our leakage area is 107 square inches, 108 somewhere. The test pressure is minus 8 pascals. We have a set point of 10, so we're just about there. The EQLA has at 10 pascals attached to it, which means it's always extrapolating to 10 pascals. Even though we're not there, it's mathematically figuring out what it would be if we were there. So that's one result. That's all there is to that. If we wanted to get CFM at 50 pascals, we could just simply change the mode to CFM. And that mode's not set up on here, so we're just going to exit, go into setup, go into mode setup, go down to CFM at 50 pascals. There we go. Enter. Let's see. Change that to CFM. There we go. Exit that. Exit that. Set pressure 50. Enter. Change our mode here to flow. around 1900 CFM at 50 pascals, but we could only achieve 30 pascals. So in order to get to 50 pascals, we're going to have to take the range ring off. It's quite simple. We change the range configuration back to B, which takes a number of clicks. We get back to B, and now we go set pressure 50, enter. That's basically all there is to it.